She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know. Where the B2Ps go. The OGs go there. I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah. The Underground Railroad, yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches, what the play. Roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know. Where the B2Ps go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know. Where the BTPs, where the BTPs go.
Let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this. I can be your number one, we know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop, says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me, and I don't wanna be that kid. He's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still
Yeah. Yeah.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want.
I gotta be in.
The chart's calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing out, it got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation.
Yeah. Started with a plan and a blank screen, turned it to a blueprint for the whole team. Everyday people, big league dream. Log in, light up, data in my face, no love. I can see the story in the lines. Every candle talking about decline. Clarity, cut through the noise to me. Dashboard steady, hard on knees. I ain't guessing I got keys. Rob at the vision like why not them? Why can't I nurse straight like a top 10? Why can't a kid from a small town win? Give him the tools and watch him begin. Wealth charts, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own pace. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Numbers on the screen, but I see time. Minutes in the miles on the same grind. Smart tech turning into past. Risk in my hand, I can do the math. Split my screen, got my goals in view. Red, green, off, eating what I do. No more fear when the trend pulls back. I got rules, I don't gotta react. He built a lane for the rest of us. Trust in the system built on trust. Teacher and a trader, that's a double edge. Cutting out the doubt, putting hope in the web charts. I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own pace. Well charts, everyday people on their way. Zoom out, I can see the life I pick. Zoom in, every level, every tick. One screen, but it's bigger than a trade. It's a promise to myself I'm gonna stay. Well charged, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own pace. Well charged, everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. She said take a left from Rodeo. Only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know. Where the P2Ps go. The OGs go there. I just found my people. I just found my people. Yeah. The Underground Railroad. Underground Railroad. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches with the play, roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's. Yeah, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know. Where the P2Ps go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know. Where the PTPs go. Where the PTPs go. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day
Show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Recording?
Dude, no, I just finished my session. Literally just now.
Okay.
So,
Get all set up and everything like that. And then we'll get rocking and rolling. But welcome everybody to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It is March 3rd, 2:47 p.m. And we're trading the last hour of the market today on Tuesday. Javi's getting set up right now, getting his camera and everything rocking and rolling. He will be logged in very soon on these charts.
I'm here.
In the meantime, I got my stuff set up for, and then I think it's your turn to share charts, Javi, right?
Okay, I think so.
Okay.
All right.
Go ahead, Javi. Set your stuff up. But Javi, how'd you trade this morning?
Pretty dang good, man. I had some fun with the volatility. So
Nice.
I had some fun, did my thing, and
yeah,
I to properly set my shit up for YouTube because it's still kind of funky with the 4 square thingy, but that's what I'm gonna do it for now.
Do your thing, brother. I am currently on a very, very fat win streak on my Apex accounts. I don't know if you saw, but I've now passed the buffer, $10,000 in profit across all my accounts. I'm at a 100% win streak right now, $200,000 in profit, 100% win streak right now,
Hell yeah.
which is fucking insane.
All right, let me get loaded up on YouTube. Oh man. You guys can see I'm very dedicated with my students. Barely made it in here on time, but it didn't matter because I needed to make sure my student understood at least, hopefully, most of everything that I'm trying to teach. Boom, join camera, start. All right, next one. Boom, all right. Woo, we're there. All right. I'm only liking the long if this thing can hold over 31. Even then, this is a tight area for a potential push. It's looking like this is a big time resistance area for me. I'll show you guys in a little bit why. I have sauce box, all sorts of stuff up here. Screen share. All right, boom. We're golden. Everything should be locked and loaded. I need like a fatter monitor or something on air.
All
Oh,
those
this thing
blown
fast enough
apexes,
to
you
know.
made back just that and some. Nice. Yep. Are all those 50Ks? No, they're 150Ks. So they're 150Ks, all well past the buffer, all everything. So I have 3 trading days left. But if I take 3 trading days with my risk management, even with 3 trading days, my one and done on my special strategy, I will still be able to request a minimum of a $40,000 payout.
Hell yeah.
I'll be able to request a minimum of a $40,000 payout, even if I take 3 losses over the next 3 days, which statistically right now I'm on a 100% win rate. So, you know, either the win rate continues or I'll take 1 or 2 L's. Not a big deal.
Hell yeah. All right. Charts. Share your screen. All right, everybody.
Rob,
Where
stop asking
there we
questions about strategies in this random channels. I'm not going to ask you again. If we do it again, we're going to permanently time you out.
Yeah, Rob. Everyone, okay? Understand questions about any sauce cannot be asked in the live trading. Okay? We have channels for that, right? We have channels to ask those questions.
Hey, Logan, when the candle turns gold on Pivot Hunter, what does that mean? It means that there is high volume in that individual candle. Go for the record payout.
Ooh.
You know what's crazy? Never mind. I'm not going to get cocky
Ooh,
because every time I
good.
get cocky or I get arrogant or I get egotistical, I fuck everything up. And so I'm just going to shut up and just
That'd
play
be
the game.
huge. All right. My charts are up. So you guys can see sauce box rejection area, but it is still pushing up. This did break a bearish candle. So as long as this holds over this 808, there's chance this will keep pushing that 830. But if it breaks 808, we have potential to retest 775. So yeah, this is a tight area it's in right now.
It says its stream failed to start.
We got a couple golden MVGs below. Oh my gosh, there's actually a bunch. I feel like I should full port short now. I'm
Working on
scared.
YouTube. Yeah, I can't see Javi's
This
charts.
is
Is
a
that the
major
issue you guys have
resistance
with
area.
mine?
Can you guys see my charts? It won't load. Oh, come on. Just on the cord. You can see it on YouTube.
I have
Fucking
the legacy
Discord.
accounts, Bobby. So here's the benefit. My legacy accounts,
Oh my
I
god, the
have,
shorting.
oh yeah, look at
The
that.
short is shorting.
Yep. I have the legacy accounts, so I have the potential to hit something massive.
You do.
Because the new ones, there's limitations on. It's still, I mean, it's still amazing end of day. You get 6 payouts. Most people don't get 6 payouts in a row, but for me, after mine, after I get those 5 or 6 payouts, then I can go for the, you know, the big one.
Okay, I just reshared it.
Oh, I'm about to get into this trade, Hobby. If we pop under 81,
Yeah. Dude, this thing dropped. As soon as I said I feel like I should full port shorts, I did not full port. I only went in with 2 micros.
Wait
And I
for
couldn't
it.
even screenshot it because I
For
did
it.
get trailed out on that pull up. Should have
Not
re-entered
yet.
it.
Not yet. Not yet.
I can see
I'm
your
waiting.
Discord chat now. Yay. Beautiful sauce box rejection at 43, back down to 72, broke 808, all the way back down to 72. Hopefully you guys were listening. Hit 77, not 72. But still. Okay.
All
Even
right.
while I'm like all over the place, I'm still
I'm in
calling
this
out.
trade. I'm in this trade. I'm in
There's
this trade.
72.
I'm in the short.
There's 72. Oh, look, guys. Oh, called off a 40-point trade while I was doing 50 things at once.
Just like that.
So
I
hopefully
fucking
everyone
got
caught that baby.
15 points already.
Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, SPX is funky right now. I got to get one of those long monitors and then this will look better for me. Not a fan of like those little tiny squares, even though it's weird because I'm used to the little squares on my phone,
All
but
right,
I'm
now I'm
not
out.
used to the little squares on the monitor. Look at that. That's 772. Whereas that's the area I was looking for it to retest. Bounce clean.
Small profit for me.
Oh,
Small profit. It
oh.
basically trimmed some and then it ripped up. So I made small profit.
See, if it can stay underneath 800, there's a chance this might try to go back down. Needs to reject 800. It looks like it did so far. Oh, violent. Oh, violent. She's just violent today. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got back in it. I triple dipped on this one. All right. I trailed out already. Yep, right there. Boom. Quick 13, 14 points again right there. Here you go. Again, still, if it rejects 800.
I'm gonna wait for a decent.
Here.
I'm gonna wait for a better trade. I'm gonna
Yeah.
wait for a good trade.
Rejected that area again. There's our level, 799.75. Oh my God, I got it again. I caught it again. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna switch to another account. I'm done with this account. Already had consistency on that one. Okay. This one. Are some of the charts frozen? Oh yeah. It looks like your charts are frozen on YouTube, Logan.
My charts.
Yeah. They're not moving at all. We're moving. Yeah, okay, we're moving. But the charts are not moving.
Oh, my shit's moving. I'm looking at it on YouTube right now.
Is it? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's your time frames. I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, you're right. I see it.
I've got
I
31
was like,
5. Yeah.
I was looking at the left ones. I'm like, that shit ain't moving. I was like, what?
Wait. I had replay mode. Some of them weren't moving.
Yeah. See, I'm like, I know I'm not going crazy.
I had replay mode on some of them. Some of them weren't actually moving.
I'm
I was
looking
looking
at
at
him
the
like,
1 minute. I was like, the 1 minute's fine. And then I didn't realize the 30 and the 5 were they were on replay.
yeah. I was looking at the other ones. I'm like, wait, why are you?
My bad.
All right.
I was doing back testing with my students. That's why. Yeah.
All right, here we go back up again. I want to see what it does. Ooh, Dom's getting crazy. Dom's getting crazy. There's that pull up to 800 again. Dom is going nuts right here, right now. it just hard rejects whenever it gets close to 800, but eventually it's going to tap it. There it goes again. There, rejected again. The push downs are not getting strong now. The push downs are not looking as strong as they did before. So this is definitely going to test 800, I think, by the looks of it. I want to see if the DOM goes crazy the closer it gets to it. It's still rejecting that area, though. But the pull downs are not as violent as they were before. Oh, yeah, there's a fight going on between 783 and that 795. There's 783. It teleported. Oh, shoot. The DOM's going crazy. It's going crazy, guys. DOM's going nuts, y'all. There's a tug of war happening between 795 and 783. This is kind of fun to watch it right now, actually. Buyers versus sellers. Who's going to win? It's going to break 800 or no. Oh, blue candle. Oh, it didn't stay blue. Oh, seller's winning. Oh, yep. Oh, shit. Dom just spiked up. What time is it? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock volume coming in. Dom's going insane. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That was a hard rejection. I'm almost done with this account now, too. Another easy rejection. This is like free money right now. Quick scalping the crap out of this stuff right now. 900 on this one now, almost 900. We got to break back into the sauce box, break back into 770. We'll test this 760 area. There it goes. There it goes. Look at that. Just sandwiched between this 795. I got this 99 level and the sauce box. Okay, there's the pullback up. And back up to 799. Ooh, it's breaking it this time. Ooh, it's breaking it this time. What do I do here? What do I do here? We got a blue on the freaking 2. This needs to crack through still. Freaking 820, 830, then 845. Held sauce box beautifully. Now it's going to crack through 799. Wow, what a violent move. What are we
Big ass
getting here
candle.
on Q? Yeah, big ass candle.
50-point candle.
A lot of buyers down here at that 770 area. There's a little bit of a signal, but it's sandwiched underneath that 34 level, so it is a scary one to try to take. It's a very scary one to try to take. Now it needs to hold above 800. It needs to hold that 799. It just flipped the level that it had before. I want to see what it does when it gets down there. Not seeing a whole lot of reaction on Dom. There it is right there, 799. It does speed up a bit. It does speed up a bit, but not enough. So it's kind of like on the fence if it wants to really hold it. Doesn't want to hold it. Yeah, look at that. Now if it breaks underneath 774, the dump might commence.
I've been in a long the past 90 minutes as I prefer to hold longer with just a micro or two. And I'm wondering which of the courses would be most helpful for this type of trading.
Llamas.
90-minute trade?
Llamas.
I don't even know.
That's P2P towel. Stop trading.
Definitely not me, Javier, or Max. That's for sure.
No, no.
So
I have
Llama
I
or
yeah.
these Llamas or
Or
Izzy's.
Izzy, Lama or Izzy. Yeah, either one of those two. Lama or Izzy.
My average trade right now is 33 seconds. So
Yeah,
definitely not
my
me.
average trade time is anywhere from 40 seconds to a minute and a half.
I mean, I showed you guys the numbers.
Stuff.
Average trade is 33 seconds, and I'm up 200K off of 5 trades.
Be sure to check 15-minute for a better read of price action. Just recently. If you say so, Big V. If you say so. I don't look at the 15-minute chart, and I get a pretty good read of the market. But you do you, brother. You do you. That works for you. Do it.
Logan, have
Just
been
rate-
taking all your trades pre-market this week. I haven't taken any pre-market trades. Unless you're saying you've been taking PHP trades. Is that what you mean? Because I don't have a pre-market strategy unless it's news or if you're trading PHP. That talking to you, Umair. Under 66, and then I run to 709. Based on your Insta post, I assumed pre-market. Nope. I just catch most of my trades within the first 45 minutes of the market open. Most of my trades are caught within the first 45 minutes of the New York Open. Where to find out the average time you hold your trades? I was able to find it in the data. The wealth tracker. You can see all the data you need.
Yep.
Have you all tried Lucid Trade C? No. I stick to wealth charts and Tradeovate. What do you guys think of the new Apex rules? I think they're great. I think they're phenomenal.
Yeah.
I think there's no reason anybody should be upset by them. 20 accounts end a day. Like try, let's see, who here has an issue with any of the new accounts? Because I know there's one issue that somebody might say, and then I'm going to call them out on it. Because I know there's one issue people might say. And let's see if anybody says it. 50% rule? It's not bad at all.
Is it the way that the trailing works, the end of day, but the what is it called? They called it something weird. I forgot what it was
There
called.
it is. There it is. There it is. People saying, "Oh, well, after you only can get 6 payouts." 99.9% of you will not get to the 6th
Yeah.
payout.
You freaking crybabies. Everyone is, oh, I can only get 4. You're lucky if you could get 1 because most of you are degen idiots that don't know how to stop.
The people saying,
love
"Oh,
that.
they only
I
allow
love that
6
complaint.
payouts." Bro,
Yeah. You'll be
I
lucky.
haven't, I'll be straight up, I have never gotten an account to a 6 payout. Besides TPT. That doesn't count though, because it's the same day. 6 payouts in 5 days. So you're telling me you're going to hold your account to hold your account for a month and a half is very rare. Very rare.
Only
99%
get 6
of you.
payouts. Have you got then I asked the question? Have you gotten 1 yet? No.
Yeah, right.
But
Right.
still.
Right. Exactly.
Oh,
That is the
Uncle,
only
look, I
thing
can
that
only
people
get
get upset about. It's not even a
6.
real reason. Yeah.
Bunch of crybabies. I love
Yeah,
that.
and if you can get exactly what Raheem said, if you can get to the 6th payout, if you can get to the 6th payout, especially probably max allocation, which is anywhere between $30,000 to $50,000 times 6, so you're looking at $200,000 to $300,000, $400,000. I think you're going to be okay resetting and getting some new accounts. I think you'll be okay with that. Or you'll probably just be pushed live. But that's the one issue that I knew people have, and I was like, Have you ever gotten a prop
Yeah.
firm to the 6 payout? No. So what are you complaining about? So you're
Dude,
justifying that there are issues.
I've been trading my PAs. This is the only other thing I'm gonna switch to those accounts because I've been very strict with my 2 PAs that I have. And I keep getting these emails that I broke some rule and that the payout window is blocked and I have to do 8 trades. I've traded 1 mini on these accounts and have not had more than a $200 drawdown on it with 1 mini, and I've been aiming for 300 a day. So I'm like,
I don't know. That's weird.
so I'm gonna probably switch to those new ones just
The
because
new
of that.
ones have less rules. I'll be very shocked if I have any issues with my payout because I take the exact same trade every single day since I've had it funded, exact same size, exact same time, exact same trade. So I don't think I should get denied at all. But maybe I broke a rule and I didn't know. But if you follow the rules, you should be good.
They send you an email and then usually they'll say it's been reset and blah blah blah. So I'm hoping. I still
What are
have
you
one
saying?
that I haven't gotten the email from, so I don't know. We'll
Kathy,
see.
I don't
I
like
like
it,
the idea of the
Logan. Is
new
that
ones.
okay? Or are you going to force people by bullying?
What?
I don't know.
You want to get bullied?
Kathy just comes into the YouTube every single power hour and just says some weird shit every time. Kathy, you're entitled to your opinion. I don't care if you like them or not. I'm not going to force anybody to like anything.
Kathy, I'll do you a better. Let's call our manager. Who's our manager?
Our
It's Max,
manager?
right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's Dan and Max.
We gotta call our manager. She should change her name to Karen.
Yeah, Kathy, I don't care.
Yeah, we don't care.
Kathy, I don't care
Everyone
if you
has
don't.
their opinion.
If you don't like the accounts,
Yeah.
it's fine. I don't care. I'm just saying, like, try and give me a reason of why you don't like it, and then we can have an intellectual conversation about it. That's it. You don't need to like it. I don't. Okay,
It's okay to disagree.
Kathy, it's okay to disagree. I'm not saying,
Yeah.
and then for you to say that I'm going to bully people into liking it.
We'll
No,
call our manager. Let's call our
it's weird.
manager again.
I'm not bullying anybody. I love bullying people. I think people deserve to be bullied. I think that
Call corporate.
our society would run better if you people were bullied. I think too many people are soft, and I was bullied, and I think it was absolutely necessary in my growth.
Let's email corporate.
You don't need
What
to.
did the white chicks do? Like,
You don't need to like the
oh my
accounts.
god, what was
I
that line?
want you to give me a reason of why you don't like the account. That's all I'm asking.
Dear Mr. Manager, I am so upset right now. That freaking white chicks. Oh my god, that part kills me every time. Gonna write a letter to corporate. uh, I've met my share of people that complain over the dumbest things. Uh, I used to work at a place that served salads, right? Some people complained about the kind of pitas that you serve. Why do you guys have that kind of pita? Why don't you guys get this brand of pita? It's so much better. I don't know. Call corporate. Don't tell me. Shoot.
$20 for an account you can make thousands of dollars from. Too good to be true. I only miss
Yeah,
trading gold.
exactly. I'm so
Yeah,
freaking
that's
pissed.
that's a fair reason. If you like trading gold and you can't, I get it. Like I said,
Oh yeah,
I'm
yeah.
entitled to your own opinion. I'm just trying to get. I just want to
Javi,
hear people's logical reasoning.
I have your indicator.
Closing.
Is there an
Okay,
option?
pickle 321
Oh, okay. What's going on with pickle?
have you traded an account and had and reached 6 payouts before? Honestly. And if you have, how often do you do that?
I would say
you're-
no, because his profile is Jessica Rabbit moaning or having an orgasm.
Yes, on my 8th at Apex with the old Apex. Okay. All right, so you're an exception. That's fine. But I think most people, let's be honest, 99% of people will not do that. And so that's why it's not, if you're on your 8th payout on Apex with the same account, congratulations. Good job. You're one of the rare exceptions.
Yep. Yeah, good for you if you are. But yeah, I mean, hey, you guess what? You can still trade with the regular old accounts.
I assume you're referring to us people and not y'all.
Javi. Oh yeah, okay, wait. I was about to answer that question and I zoned out. Javi, I have your indicator. Is there an option to set alerts for when buy sell signals plot on the chart? Due to my job, I'm the most Blah blah flexible. Yes, there is an option to set alerts. If you go into the manual that is pinned in the Quantum Trader chat, the very last page will give you an idea. If not, if you can't find it in there, definitely either pin or tag Owen. He's a very busy guy now. He will definitely give you way better guidance at that. I do not set alerts at all. Like I don't want my phone to ping off on me random time, so I don't look at it. But you can absolutely. I know you guys don't give out free sauce, but any chance I could get a recommendation on a book or something for trading psychology? I haven't read a single book
Same.
because I have angry dyslexia. But a title that I like, right? The title that I like of a book is Learn to Lose or something like that. I forgot what that title of that book was. Some of you guys know it.
Have you taken trades on high volume yellow candle PHP? I do. I don't always prefer it though.
Nick the lesbian, who definitely looks like a reader, trading in the zone.
Does Apex charge monthly fees? I don't think they do anymore. I think it's a one-time fee on the new
There it is.
accounts.
Best scissors win.
Bullying builds character, correct. Military helped me a lot, as
does.
same with me. Yes, the military also made me the way that I am. No, you guys don't give out free. Oh, you already did that one. Logan, does Apex charge you after passing an account? I don't know. I think there is an activation key. I think there's an activation fee.
Back to the bottom of the range, 770. I'm looking if this breaks 773. Again, 760. Then
So you get VA check. What do you mean? Yeah, I get VA checks. I get VA checks every month. What are you at? What are you saying?
Yeah.
What do you mean? I get I have 90% disability from the VA, right? Are you at 100%? No, I'm at 90. But I'm getting other things still checked out to see if I can get to 100% before I have to lawyer up.
You got to lawyer up?
Yeah, because the VA actually doesn't support its veterans. The VA just feels obligated to pay out its veterans.
So messed up.
My girlfriend got 100% VA disability in January. Yeah, it's a massive change. It's a difference of $2,000 a month. When I move from 90% to 100%, I get an additional $2K a month for the rest of my life.
Candle did not break. 773. Bounce clean off of that. Needs to break below. Needs to have a candle closure below.
90% for ED.
There too.
I don't think ED pays 90%. This new Apex system flagging, scaling, and MAE violations is getting me dry. I thought they removed that. I'm pretty sure they advertised the removal.
The emails that I'm getting, but I didn't get one for the MAE.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I haven't gotten the new. No, not the new. I didn't get anything MAE. It doesn't even say what it is. Here, let me read it. It doesn't say what it is. It just sends me, or did I delete it already? I think I deleted it already.
Thank you for your service. Appreciate it. Thanks for the support.
Yeah.
Hit me up. I can help you get to 100%. I gotta finish up the rest of my appointments now. Appreciate it, Angelus. Thank you. Getting 3 5-figure payout days in the past 5 trading days. Good job.
Oh, it just says you have one new notification. That's not the
Veterans
email.
Guardian.
Oh shit! It broke. It broke. It broke. It broke it with vengeance.
47, and I'm entering.
It broke it with vengeance. I want to see if this thing will hold underneath. If it'll retest it, maybe. But this could just keep going. This is just bleed through. It broke it with insane strength.
Oh, yep. I'm about to get in this trade if we pop through 47.
If this 5-minute pops its ugly head over 775, it'll be dead in the water. But if it can hold underneath this last couple minutes on the 5, this is just bleeding through. It just completely bred through it. This could just keep going. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get that retest of that area. Nope, never mind.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. All right, wait,
I'm
not in yet.
I
about to
got
jump
in it
in.
with 2 micros at 62. I wanted to see if it would retest 73, but I'm already taking some out. I actually entered it with 3. I'm sorry, not 2. I took 1 out.
I
But
need
if
more
this
of a
keeps
print through.
going,
I need a little bit more of a print through, and I'm going to get in.
this keeps going. I mean, there goes. I'm up almost. I didn't get the entry I wanted, but oh
I'm
shit,
not in
I'm gonna
yet.
get
I'm not
another
in
one out
yet.
here.
Not yet. Not yet. I'm waiting.
36 is the next area. 36.50 would be the next area if it managed to get down there.
No trade yet.
But
No trade.
I got 1 runner left. If it pulls up over 60, I will look for a retest of 770.
No trade. That's not enough of a print through for me. It only moved about 1 point down through the dotted line, guys. If you're trading PHP, that is not a print through. It's 1 point.
So push back up. All right, let's see if it retests the 770 area or not.
No entry.
It's
No trade for me.
very weak though. It's a pulling up and it's not even pushing 60. Yeah, this 5-minute candle needs to close well below it. It might. NQ showing little bit of strength. SPX began the down move early. NQ hesitant. So now I want to see if it can retest 774 and reject it. But it doesn't. It hits 760 and it can't pull above 760. Again.
You know, it's funny, Hobby, that story that you tagged me in of me speaking Spanish, people DM'd me like surprised that
Really?
I could speak Spanish. They're like, "Oh, I didn't know you could
Yeah.
speak Spanish." I'm like, yeah, you guys didn't know? It's my third language.
Yeah, dude, that's a very, very, very surprising thing for a lot when they see you. They're like,
What's my second language? My mother's German. I speak fluent German.
Jeremy, it's obviously AI. Oh, here we go. Here's that 770 retest.
Maybe if you spent more time in the gym than learning Spanish, you wouldn't have such skinny legs. Nice try, Nick. Hobby and other people saw my legs and they said that you're wrong. So your skinny legs
Yeah.
joke doesn't qualify anymore. Nice try,
They're
buddy.
beefy.
Nice try. Frail boy. Little boy. Victim weight ass boy. 120 pounds boy. People can have opinions if they are wrong. No. That's not an opinion. That is
Yeah,
a
it's breaking
fact.
right through 773. So it doesn't want to hold below. I mean, it still could. I want to see that now. If
Nächstes Mal können wir auf Deutsch reden.
we
Ja, wer
pull up
kann?
to 801 next. No, man, I still kind of like this to reject here. 790.
Sema, sprichst du Deutsch?
790 will be the next area. To 10 point from here.
Ja, Karl. Kommst du aus Deutschland? Ich spreche auch Deutsch. Ich habe in 8 Jahren gelebt. Komme aus Hamburg. Meine Mutter kommt aus Hamburg. Meine Mutter kommt aus Hamburg und meine Großvater und Großmutter wohnt in Tegernsee.
You sound so gentle in German.
Ja, ich kann das schrecklich sein auch.
Okay, now I'm scared.
Yeah,
now I'm
I can
scared.
tell
Where's my mama?
people make German sound a lot more aggressive than it needs to be. It doesn't need to be so aggressive. People just make it sound aggressive. I'm also an aggressive person. If I'm an aggressive person and I'm making German not sound aggressive, it's probably not that aggressive.
Dude, anybody catch that retest of that top area?
My biggest red day.
Held below.
Wow. This guy just said he had his biggest red day. Sorry to hear that, man.
Sorry, bro. Look at that. Oh, dang, it's going now. I'm up 20 points on that retest of that 780 area. This was a simple 5-minute break. You guys can see my 5-minute chart right here. That candle broke the bullish candle, the blue, retested the whole breaking candle up to 780. I got crappy entry at 775, but still was able to collect 20 points off of that.
Do I speak German fluently? Yes. I understand it better than I can speak it. My mother only speaks to me in German. Unfortunately,
Okay.
as I got older, I
Habla
always
español,
spoke back.
que no te tire vaina. Bueno, depende qué tipo de vaina. Sí. What is that? Okay, so we're gonna speak our home language. You know what? It's weird when I actually think about talking Spanish and then I have to think about what I want to say and I don't feel like speaking Spanish. Like someone says, talk Spanish. I'm like, no, I don't wanna.
Wie viele Leute kommen nach Deutschland? Da war vielleicht 4 oder 5 im Discord. Das kommt aus Deutschland und ich glaube 2 oder 3 aus die YouTube.
Break
I
under
rarely speak German,
55
so
next for
I like
continuation.
speaking German because it's very rare that I speak it. So, and I need to
Very
practice my German.
Very fair.
I don't speak it enough. Logan speak liberal. Well, unfortunately, Germany is a liberal country. So,
Discount.
what's your first language? Technically speaking, actually, it would be German. But I bleed red, white, and blue. So does my whole family, including my mother. So, America.
America. Fuck
He's
yeah.
a Kraut. I am not a Kraut. My mother immigrated here and then joined the United States Army, and then she did 20 years in the FBI. My mom has better grammar, speaks better English, and is more American than anybody I know. And then my father is Norwegian, first generation American, or second also. Ask her if the FBI is hiring. 11 twice. You are last on the list to be hired by the FBI.
11. We're both on that watch list. We can't join. Do we see some failed bullish moves here? 55 breaks. This is going to continue down. Continue down, 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 down. Needs to break. Ooh, it's getting wiki down here.
Appreciate it, Abio.
Ooh, she getting violent down here. Needs to close under 55. This 1 minute needs to close under 55.
The guy said 1111 is a Somali pirate.
What the hell, dude? They're doing
That's
our boy
crazy.
dirty.
Uh,
They're doing our boy dirty. Oh shit! It just violently broke underneath. Damn. There's no chill on these breaks. The down move is still confirmed. The downtrend is still looking. Every time it breaks blues, it's still pushing. It's still telling me this is gonna go next all the way down to 24 potentially. We have a level at 36.
Oh,
Hold
Nick,
them
by the
to
way, how are your
70.
PA accounts doing? How are your Apex accounts doing, Nick? I still have
Violation
2.
rules broken.
Okay. I cooked some.
I cooked some. Yeah.
Come on, dude. You were so close to a payout. Your first payout, too. Now I've gotten payouts.
There you go. Hell yeah.
I've done like 10K. What prop, Nick?
Yeah. Damn, Nick.
Over 8 years. Props haven't even been MFF.
They have my funded futures has been, yeah, they've been around for a while.
All right. No, I know. My Funded Futures was my first payout.
Yeah.
Yeah. Logan, my brother was in Frankfurt, and then when his contract was done, he moved permanently to Mannheim. Like military? Or military contract or what? I don't know what you're asking me. Tell me there.
We are
My
now
Forex funding. Oh,
Oh.
okay.
All
I've never
right.
done Forex.
768 breaks. If 768 breaks and holds, it'll try to push back up. Still looking for it to hold underneath 70, then continue its way underneath 50.
Yeah, a lot of my army buddies were stationed in Germany. They got sued and shut down. Got it. So the only prop firm that you've gotten a payout from, Nick, was a deregulated, illegal operating system.
Yeah. Sounds about right.
How many of MOT were students of Max and Lama? Everyone.
Yeah, all of us.
Everyone who works at MOT is a student of
Ooh, I don't
Max
like
and Lama.
this.
Every single person. Izzy's an exception. Izzy is an exception. Izzy is an exception.
Oh yeah,
Everybody
that's
else.
true. Izzy is an exception, but Izzy's a
But she
beast in
does
her own
also
right.
trade ICT, which is very similar to Lama's strategy. But she didn't technically learn from Lama. She learned it on her own.
Oh man, it's going up. Yep. That blew through 68. No chill when it blew through 68.
No
These
trades for me.
moves are just violent. You're either going to catch them or you're not. That was a
Do you tr-
20-point push from 68. Oh my god, it went all the way back down. Oh my god, it immediately came back down to test. If this cannot close above 68, this has to, I'm sorry, yes, it has to close above 68. God, it's way up there. Oh, look at that push down. Oh my god, the very last second, look at that. It came all the way back down to close underneath. Will it? I love these candles when they happen. They always do this at the very last second. It closed above. It closed above. There you go. Give me 83. There's 83. Yes. Yes.
Gambit, nobody here has a
In on that.
3K. Nobody here charges 3K.
And I'm trailing. Ooh, it closed above and it gave me a very clean entry.
Nobody here
Closed above
charges 3K.
68.
Individual courses are all around $1,200 to $1,300 for the course. And then if you have a combination of F1, sure, but it's two very successful trader strategies combined. Javi Logan, how do you rebuild confidence in trading after taking a few hard losses? Javi.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a hard one because it varies per person. I like to take breaks. I will take a break from trading for a day or so. Even someone who likes to overtrade as much as I do, I will stop for a day and then I will pretty much just start like regular. Trust my system. I trust my process. Right? I do the same setups, the same routine over and over and over every day. I don't change anything. If I had a bad day or two, I'm not gonna doubt my system ever. I just reset, do it all over again. Um, Everyone should have some sort of control. Don't blow all your accounts. Okay. But remember, right, guys, I had major meltdown before I became the trader I am today. I blew a $16,000 drawdown account that 14,000 of it was withdrawable, was going to be my very first payout ever from my funded futures from MFF. Okay. And I blew it in less than 10 minutes. I felt like quitting. Guess what? Wife didn't let me quit. I came back strong with rules, harder rules. I didn't have rules. Back then, my rule was either the play works or the account's dead. Then I started setting rules, respected stop losses, 3 strikes, I'm out, 1-to-1 RR. Now I'm here. You just have to come back stronger, come back learning, right? Learn from those damn losses. Oh my God, my runners are running.
You just got to full port them. Okay. Take an L, full port it.
Take an L in full port. That's the best advice I've ever heard in my life.
Logan, do you
That's
trade
the
live
best
or do
advice
weekly
ever.
coaching for your students? I don't trade live regularly with my students, mostly just news. At this point in time, it's just news. I'll trade with my students.
Go runner,
Um,
running. I don't have a
I'm
course yet.
I'm about to jump
I was
into this
asking.
long hobby. I don't. It's right at
I'd be
this
careful
level.
at this area. Yep. Be careful here.
Right at this level. I'm not going to test it.
Already,
Nope. You know what? I'm
already,
not going to take that
already
risk.
got
I'm
filled
not
out.
gonna- Well, it doesn't matter. They fell down anyway.
I got
Yeah.
filled out.
But I do regular recaps with my students. I like to go over stuff. Today, I went over that 100% win rate strategy that I have right now. I did a recap with my students on it in the last 5 days where I've won every single one. I explained the entry criteria. I explained the contract size, the TP, the stop loss, everything that I have exactly done. I did with my students and I did a review with them. How did we meet Izzy? We met Izzy through Alpha Futures through an event and met them. And then she got in contact with Max and said, Max, I'd like to work with you, something like that. And so here we are. I don't know the exact story, but yeah.
Yep.
The 100% strategy is on my course. Correct. I am no longer coaching. I also want to put that out to everybody. I no longer do not have the time to coach. I'm no longer coaching. I only am doing my course. Now with my course, I'm very active with my students. very active with my students, and I talk with them a lot, and I go through everything with them. But one-on-one coaching is no longer a thing. It doesn't make sense. You're going to be charged the same amount for a one-on-one session as you would if you just bought the course. So it doesn't even make sense to do coaching. Just do the course. I have just too many other responsibilities right now. I don't have time for it.
Yep, I do the coaching, obviously. I teach my extra confluences and go over a few of the max strats that I use. But if you guys really like pay attention to my quantum stuff, right? Quantum is my main strategy. So I want everyone to understand that. It's all out there on YouTube. Everything that how I trade using quantum, right? There's days where I don't even have, when I'm doing the quantum study sessions, I don't have the sauce boxes on the chart. I can play pure quantum. So anybody, there's a lot of people that ask me that. What's my strategy? It's quantum. Literally, quantum shift is my strategy in the indicator. That's what it is. I have a lineup of setups I look for. We just ate on that 68. It closed above 68, right? That was that failed bullet bearish move here. Stop loss would have been 63. Oh my God, 5-point stop loss for that push up all the way to 98. Level 801, right? Level where it rejected was 797. Now, Saucebox is a confluence of mine, which we're hovering on. We're just stuck in between these two boxes right now.
I did not record the review today, guys, for your students of mine, because I don't have anywhere to put it right now. So I am working on finding somewhere to put it and upload it. Actually, I didn't record it. I'll do it again tomorrow, and I'll record it. We'll go over it again. No problem.
Someone asked if I could teach quantum without the indicator. That will be a very expensive lesson. That would not be cheap.
Yeah, because they would learn how to do. Yeah.
First, it's not easy. First, it is not easy. I want to warn them. They want to pay a lot of money to learn how quantum is broken down. They'll have to fork up quite a bit, but they're going to quickly realize how how complicated it really is.
Wait.
Nowhere near less than 5K to actually show. Not even. I don't. I'd have to discuss that with Max, honestly. But it would not be less than 5K.
Logan's course has been very helpful. Thank you, Jay Sims. Aber dein Kurs ist nicht kaufbar gerade. Yeah, it is. My course is available.
Look, Nick is saying I'd be a goober to do it for less than 100K. I agree with you, Nick. I agree with you. Yo, Javi, I just started doing this month and I'm up on the count 1600 while learning how to use ATM settings. That is currently working well. Way to go, Nomad. It's hard for me to take losses, but been doing this for a while and accustomed to using stop losses. That's a good way to do it. I don't use ATMs, but I know Logan does and a bunch of other people do. And you do what works for you, man. Like, I'm just so used to doing it manually. So I stick to doing it manually.
I post the recaps on the course.
Max is asking what would be 5K. People are, or some people are asking how much it would cost to learn quantum without the indicator. And I'm like, no less than 5K. And Nick was quickly 100K. No less than 100K.
That kind of would be a hobby mentorship.
Not
Max
easy.
Yeah, that would be a hobby mentorship. I think 5K minimum. I mean, that's learning how to trade like one of the most profitable traders in the industry.
Yeah.
I think 5K is definitely way too cheap. Yeah.
Even Max agrees 5K is way too cheap.
I agree.
Right? Yeah, you're right. It is. Yeah, because quantum is it's complicated. I'm gonna tell you guys, even if I teach someone how to do it, I've taught, I think, 3 people how to do it. Guess what? They got the indicator. It's not easy to.
Oh, I mean, it's the same with me. I taught my students how to trade without PHP. I taught them how to do it without PHP, but we all still use it. It's the same thing with Lama and P2P. Like, you can trade without it. The whole point of our indicators is it makes your life so much easier for that strategy.
Yeah.
Like, I don't want to sit here and have to calculate ATR and the pivot levels and the direction and the blue lines and the red lines and having to do this all in New York Open when it's fast and volatile and trying to calculate. I can't. I can, but it's not fucking easy. It makes life way more difficult. So instead, I'm just like, fuck it. I'm going to throw on the indicator. Perfect. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I took the course with you before it was in WAP, so I have access to that or no. By the way, I don't. Send me a DM. How did you take the
right there, 773 again?
Send me a DM because I don't have any indication of you being a prior student of mine unless you DM me and then I can look into it. P2P has been killer. Yeah, P2P is a great course and indicator.
You know, Learning to Trades is one of the people that use P2P and Saucebox as a major confluence, and she has been killing it this year. Like,
Oh,
she went
S-Crutch,
ham.
you are. S-Crutch, you are a student of mine. S-Crutch, go ahead and open up a support ticket. I got to give you my role. Go ahead and open up a support ticket, and the mods will take care of you, man. You have access to my entire course. I don't know if you know that, S-Crutch. Like, all my videos, like 24 hours of videos, new content, new strategies, reels. Yeah, you've been out for a while. You've missed out on a lot, brother. Yeah, I just saw
realized
that I did coach you in the past. Go ahead.
I left that on from the back testing.
Tashar with $100, 100 thing dono, which is $1. Thank you guys. Thank you and live you guys. The drawdown is the real capital and end of day is the best choice. Just one dono. Sorry, guys. Don't apologize, man. We appreciate any type of donation, Tashar. Appreciate you like always, man.
And we're going to be sandwiching levels. MOC might be interesting. We are about to be sandwiched. If this stays below 79, we're going to get a 79 level. We have another level at 76. I'm going to get rid of Saucebox for now because MOC is all about the levels. So we're going to be sitting between 36 and all the way up here at 8. So between 736 and 831, there's 100 points in between the 778 that just formed if this area continues to hold. So it's going to be an interesting MOC. Currently, failed bullish move here, but this is setting up, right? We still have this bottom area, this 2-minute level. Some of these. $778 holding.
Been using PH indicator for the past month and just purchased the course, patiently waiting to get out of work to start reviewing it. Nice. Congratulations. Welcome to the team, Jay Weiss. Welcome to the battalion. I don't think I have the role assigned to your course. You do. You absolutely do. I just saw you message in the chat too.
Thank you, Tushar. All right. We still got about 7 minutes for MOC.
Major, open up a support ticket if you're having issues. Javi, I need to print through 741, but then I also have a level at 709, so maybe could catch a 30-point trade and then down to 602.
It could get violent. It could get violent down, man. Like look at all these golden MVGs on SPX. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. More.
So what you're saying is full port shorts.
I kind of feel like I got 2 micros on the short from 778 free floating right now. I actually got in at 71. So I feel like getting one out at least here on 13 points. This is looking like it. Yeah, if SPX is going to be the pool, SPX already broke a couple of its blues. NQ just started doing it, but there's still a couple holding it in place. The 2-minute just broke 1. So if the 2-minute can stay again under that 778, 778 is that area.
I just need 3K more to pass my eval. That's a lot of money.
Take your time. Don't try to get it in one day, brother.
I have one trade where it basically hit my TP, contracts moved to break even, and I made almost no money, $200. No, it's the only trade I've taken today.
I've called out like a bunch. A few of them were just narrative plays. A couple of them were like there was that initial trade at the very beginning. That was an easy one. Then the short.
Gabe, are you talking to
And then I
us?
was scalping.
Guy goes, "What the fuck you pigs doing?"
I
You
mean, I
talking
was
to
gonna
us?
say, wait, I'm not eating, but I'm naturally pig looking.
I mean,
So
I
I'll
think
take
that's
it. I'll take it.
honestly, I think that's hilarious. Shar, I just love your stream so much because it's 0210 am, but I just want to see you guys trade as well. Just $1 dono.
Thank you,
I don't, I
brother.
don't, I don't know what that means, but thanks to Shar.
It's 2:10 a.m. where you're at? Damn, bro. He just likes to watch us trade.
Oh, 2:10 a.m. Okay, that went over my head. Got it. Damn, dude. Appreciate the
Thank you, brother.
support.
Appreciate you guys. All right. MOC in 6 minutes still. 778 is that area I'm looking at currently. That's the middle ground between 736 and 832.
Give me a trade.
740. Back to 778.
Also, if you are someone who has purchased the course, if you're a new student and you purchased the course on the website, I will be uploading like 8 more videos. Just a heads up for you. So if you are somebody who is new, who has purchased the course on the website, there is 8 videos that I am currently uploading. It's going to take some time. I don't have an exact timeline, just giving you a heads up. If you purchased my course on the website, they're uploaded on WAP right now already for current or old students, but though they're being transferred over to the new one also. So you guys have way more sauce coming your way if you just bought the course for the website. So yeah, but you got the main gist, you got the most important stuff is there, but I got some extra stuff in there coming in soon.
And it keeps pushing up towards that 778.
How does one obtain
The
Maestro's
pullback
physique?
looks weak.
He was sculpted by this guy, Rich says, how does one obtain Maestro's physique? Looks like he was sculpted by the hands of God. The other guy is too small, should eat more.
What the frick, dude? I look like I ate too much freaking ice cream and peanut butter jelly and all sorts of shit.
Logan, will you be
Like,
raising the price? Honestly, I should.
rejected that
Honestly, I should.
778 one time, but it's pushing back up again. 1 minute candle still has a lot of time left.
I haven't thought about that. That's a good idea. I should increase my price. With how well I've been doing with trading and this other strategy.
Yeah, 100% win rate. Hell yeah.
I'm at 100% win rate in the last
Yay.
5 days. I'm up $200,000 on my PAs.
Yeah.
Honestly, supply and demand. I don't know what to tell you guys. All right, I'm going to look into it. So if you're looking to buy the course, whoever asked that, thanks for the idea.
Oh, look at that rejection. Oh. Okay, let's see. Dun-dun-dun. 78, 778 rejected once, twice, 2 rejections off of 778. Clean.
These people are raging at it right now.
Oh my gosh, today has just been one of those days. Oh my gosh, I'm up 100 on 3 micros. I just scalped it again. Oh my gosh, I'm up 113 on 3 micros. I'm up 120, 130. I'm getting out one here, 140,
go,
150, 160. Got 2 micros left.
go.
Oh my god, look at that meltdown. Anybody catch that with me? Anybody? 778 resistance, 778.
Good trade, dude.
Easy call, easy 20 30 points right there. Quick 30 points. Huh? Easy peasy guaranteesy. We're 30 in the scalp. All right, big scalps. Big scalps. All right, let's go. MOC in a minute and a half. A minute and a half. Same area, 778. 778 is that area. Now we approached 736. We got really close to it. So this could keep going all the way down to 736. So 736 could be the next area. If we get down there, we hit 744 and a quarter. Go Ritz. Less than a minute. I got one runner left. Loading from 776 entry. I want to see what it does if it can manage to get down to 736. If not, this will trail me out if it pops over 50. Not 50, I'm sorry. If it pops back over 62, it'll trail this runner out. And then I'll look for reaction at 776 again, or 778, I'm sorry. It's about to take me out. It's about to take me out. Oh no. Ooh, there it goes. Took me out. Okay, runner's out. All right, MLC in 30 seconds. We are floating right in between the two, 778, 36. So we are floating in between. No clean read for me at the moment. I want to see reaction. I want to see reaction. There's going up. It's going up to 7. Almost there. 5 seconds left. I think it's going to test that 778.
I don't have an answer.
It might not. There goes. Very weak. Very weak reaction. Yeah, baby. Okay, now back up to it again. Back up to it again. 778 is going to be that stomping ground. 778 is what needs to break if this is going to go up. Look at that. Hit 773, pulled down. That looked very weak. It was a quick, easy scalp down. Oh my gosh, still going. Oh my gosh, still going. Oh, I should have gone in heavier. I only have 1 micro left. What is this alert? Why can't I get it out of there? Oh my gosh, I'm up 20 points on my runner. Oh man, I wanted to go in heavier. I could not. I couldn't manage to click the button enough. I'm still up $1,000 on this account.
Yellow under this 40 area. I'm going short.
This one's just promote the show, guys. You guys are a real gem, and I'm not gay. Smiley face emoji. Smiley face emoji. Smiley face emoji. Just $5 dono, and neither do I work at the call center. I'm just a simple engineering product designer. $5 dono. Smiley face emoji.
Dang it! I could not click fast enough. I'm still up $1,000 on this account.
There we go. There we go.
Let's go! 30 points.
There we go. There we
Easy
go.
day.
There we go.
Let's get to 36. There's 36. Break.
Boom, boom. There we go. Hold the short. Hold the short. Hold the short. Hold the short. We've got room down to 709. Hold the short.
Stay under
Good shit,
36.
Javi. Hold the short. Hold it until 709.
40 points. 40 points. 40 points.
Go, 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 go.
Let's go. 40 points, baby.
We're ripping. We're ripping. There we go.
Ah, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Easy read, easy play.
All right, trimmed out 1 mini there. I got 1 left.
All right, pulls over 36. This will take me out at 38.
39.50 is my top loss.
Really close.
Just
It
missed it.
just missed me. It missed me as well. I had my trail at 38. It almost took me out.
There you go. New lower low, potential scaling if we print through 14, but we do be aware.
Break 22. Oh my gosh, we're
There
about
we
to
go.
be 50 points in this.
Oh,
50
we're dumping. We're dumping.
Needs to break 22.
We're dumping.
Here we go.
We're dumping.
50 points almost there, guys.
Hold. Wait, why do I have 2 minis left?
Oh, don't tell me out. Don't take me out. Don't take me out.
Oh, did I double tap? Oh, well, fuck it. Go, 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 go. We're green as fuck.
We're green as hell. Look at that runner running 50 points. Let's go. What a trade.
Stop losses are at 33.75. Stop loss at 33.75.
That took me out. That took me out. That took me out. That took me out. If it can't break 22, we're not going to keep going. That bounce took me out. Let's go. Let's go.
Cool.
Tushar, thank you again. Another dono. This one's to promote the show, guys. You guys are a real gem, and I'm not gay. Just $5. Just $5 dono. And did you read this one already?
This one. I haven't read that one.
At the call center, I'm just a simple engineer, product designer.
You guys should stream a competition between PHP Quantum and P2P. So 2 things. 1, we would never compete against our own staff and people around us. It doesn't make sense because it's just going to cause unnecessary and awkward competition. 2, all 3 of those strategies are very, very different. So all of them will work differently. Some might present while others won't present, and then vice versa. It's just unnecessary competition. And also, a lot of the times, all 3 of our strategies align for the exact same trade setup. Like, it doesn't, you know what I mean?
That's right.
I will compete though. I will compete against anybody in the entire industry who's not an MOT. And I'll just trade my one strategy and I'll win 75% of the time. I am
a busy Asian, I swear. I was spamming the chat like an hour straight with freedom our family, please, and it worked eventually. What the hell, dude?
What days is Javi on Power Hour? Every single day of the week.
Every day.
Monday through Friday.
Yeah, I'm here all the freaking time.
How many ticks do you guys set up your trailing stop loss? Personal preference. It's also dependent on market structure and many other things. ATR for me. For me, it has to do basically with
wait a minute. Did I read that wrong? I'm a busty Asian, I swear. I thought I saw it as I'm a something else Asian.
Logan, would you beat Rob? I mean, Rob's a.
I said busy.
Rob is like a multiple. I said I'll go against everybody. I don't understand I'm going to beat everybody. Rob, I consider a part of MO, so I would not compete against Rob.
I knew I read that wrong. See, the dyslexia comes in.
He's also a 30 times world champion.
Logan, do you want to find out if this busty Asian is a catfish or not?
That's 100%.
I might get in trouble for this. I'm willing to take the sacrifice. My balls might get crushed later.
Javi, do you? Okay.
Everyone's saying it's a dude.
Yeah, Javi, it's what female would say? I'm a busty Asian, I swear.
I know, but we got to find out, right? That's what Max does. That investigative reporting in the morning show.
Come on up to the stage. You're right. Come on up to the stage. Javi's right. Come on up.
We got to do the investigative reporting too.
If you're a busty Asian, I'll give you a free account and indicator free for an entire week.
There we go.
But I also cannot be the judge of that because I'll get, that's a busty Asian, I'm sure.
There he is. Dude, that's good. I love that. That's so good. You know what? Get him a free week of any indicator, guys. Get him a free week. Get him a free week.
Right.
I love that.
All right.
That was a good laugh. That was a good laugh. I love that.
Asian,
that was good.
Busty Asian, yes. Open up a support ticket. Open up a support ticket.
Open a support ticket. That was good. That's why we would do the investigating, right? We got to get down to the bottom of what's going on, right? Real catfish or no catfish, whatever. That was good. That was a good ass laugh, man. He busted. Okay, question. Did you have that already? Like, were you waiting to get called up and you had those things in your ass already? Like, were you waiting on it?
He did the same to Max.
He got Max RC. I didn't get to watch all the morning show. So I didn't get to catch on it.
Get Karma up. She said she is real. I'm not going to just start inviting up random. Javi and I are married. We don't care to bring up random Javi and I are
There's
married.
my wife. Seriously. Yeah. Yeah. I don't care. It's for entertainment purposes, right?
I'm not actually married, guys. I'm just saying, I'm gonna go and try and look at other women. I'm not actually married.
She's gonna be like,
I'm not
after the show, she's gonna be like, so you said we were married? And she's gonna give you those eyes over like, mm-hmm. Be careful what you say, brother.
No,
man, he's manifesting.
When I'm in a whatever, I don't need to have a conversation about this with anyone. With that being said, Javi and I are up. That was a good trade.
Yeah, guys.
And I'm ready to call it.
Me too, bro. I haven't even tallied up what I made today.
I saw her P&L the last 2 weeks. She's profitable as fuck. She makes more money than most of us.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. You posted that screenshot of what she was making. I'm like, damn. And then my wife was like, can I learn to trade now too? And I'm like, yeah, I've been waiting for her to learn. She's in here, Mor. Come up after the show. I will teach you because you keep asking me. I will teach you. Just come up. Okay.
Yeah, Alyssa made like.
I know my wife will be way more profitable than me. That's what's crazy is that I know that.
Alyssa made like $12,000 last month. I feel like your wife can do that too. You know what I mean?
Yeah. She will have way more control than me. For all I know, right? She might have secret rage hidden, and maybe she'll destroy my whole room. I don't know. But I believe that she will be a much better trader than me. Or the She-Hulk will be born.
His name. 11 changed.
What did he change his name to? I'm a white man.
11 changed his name to I'm a white man, I swear. That's hilarious.
That's good. Oh my god. I'm a white man, I swear. All right, here we go. Only traded this set of accounts. That's my day right there. 3.
Logan, which YouTube trader pisses you off the most that you would go against? No YouTube trader pisses me off.
Damn.
There's no trader who actually pisses me off. I don't care about any traders at all. The only traders I give a shit about and that I look at and follow are MOT traders because they're on my team and I want them to win. I genuinely don't care about a single trader outside of MOT.
Oh, our little Thor hammers here.
There's like some guys that are cool that I talk with, but I don't even watch them trade or pay attention to it.
Yeah.
Like there's some guys that I've met that are pretty cool dudes, but I've never actually watched them trade. I also don't care how they do in trading. I genuinely don't care about any of their traders. It's why would I? Hey guys, came across you guys through the conference. Not sure what conference that was. Maybe Apex. If you guys are a trading conference, where do you announce you are going? Are you talking about the one that we recently hosted at the Diplomat? Yeah. LO 1028? Because that's the conference that we had, the trading thing that we did for like. Or are you talking about the one in Boca where Max and I went? There's a couple. Yeah, you're either talking about the Max Option Trading Live, or you're talking about the one that Max and I went to, which was like an Apex one. I think it was in Florida. Okay, ma'am, you are being incredibly vague. That doesn't help at all. I think it was in Florida. Okay.
Raheem Word, thank you for the $1, brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah, your wife says she's going to do coach. That's pretty funny. Honestly, dude, Alyssa doesn't listen to me. Like, Alyssa doesn't trade at all how I trade. I literally showed her my 100% strategy. She's like, and trades the max way. But she was like a mastermind student before like any of us. So maybe that's why.
I swear, my wife is like got a thing for Izzy. Izzy, I'd be okay if you ever wanted to explore that.
It's the Latina women. They group together and then they,
I don't know. Like sometimes my wife be watching her stuff and I can see the little,
Interesting. All right,
my wife knows. I'd be like, hey, you go for it. She knows.
Right.
All right, y'all. That was fun. That was a fun power hour. Price action was all over the place.
Yeah, boring price action, but entertaining. So $1,100 for the power hour. Thanks, boys. Appreciate you, Justin Davis.
1,100 for power hour. Thanks, boys.
I met you guys at the Diplomat event too. It was the best experience, and I hope MOT can do that again in the future. That would be great.
Look what Rich did. Look what Rich did.
I'm a profitable trader now. God, here, have some money. Thank you, less than 3.
Bath and cocaine. Oh shit! I don't know if I can say that.
You don't even look. He doesn't even look white. He just looks sick. It's not white. That's albino. It's worse than albino.
That's Ashy Larry times 1,000. Oh my fucking god! Oh my god, dude.
Scary. Prime time, $25. I'm a profitable trader now. Have some money.
Oh my god.
Appreciate you, Prime time. Thank you, man.
Oh man, that's good. I got
all
a
right,
good laugh out of
number out here, Hobby.
Okay. Oh, dude, look at these donos that just came in. Justin Davis, thank you, brother. 1,100 power hours.
Yeah, I've been reading them.
Oh, you did? Okay, awesome, guys. Thank you, Prime Time. Oh man. Okay, sorry, I got lost with that picture.
Davey says he bought his first eval at the MOT Live and Unfiltered and is requesting his first payout tomorrow. 1 month.
Let's go.
From an eval purchase, and then a month later, right? Payout. That's pretty big. That's pretty big.
Oh, that's huge. All right. First number will be 99.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. DRAO. Drow. Oh, I lost you before I could invite you up. Let's do this. Drow. Come on up to the stage. Drow.
YouTube. Type in YouTube. YouTube only. Okay. Gonna make it clear. Busty. Busty.
Nice.
Yeah. For our boy with the busty buns.
Camera's on, Drow.
There we go.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
How's your trading going?
Man, I'm coming across that turning point, I should say.
You've come across a turning point, you're saying?
On track for my fifth payout with Lucid 25K.
A couple years, I started in Forex and then transitioned to futures. And transition to futures was a little bit of learning curve. But I started out on a break even, but I recently really started turning the corner. I started watching y'all. Kind of been, it was more of the second guessing myself more than it was actually just the stuff wrong. And so, yeah, really happy to start seeing some success with it, because get to that point where you start getting discouraged and really start questioning your ability.
Nice, man. No, that's good. Yeah, I mean, it takes a certain time, consistent like you've been doing, and you start to build that confidence. Yeah, things are definitely going to turn around. You're going to start to see some profitability, man. And that's great to hear. And so what we're also going to do, to assist in your journey in trading in the futures world, especially, is we're going to give you access to any indicator free for an entire week. So open up a support ticket and we're going to take care of you.
Appreciate it, man. I mean, you and Javi, you do your thing.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man.
All right, thank you.
All right, you too.
Raheem, on track for my fifth payout. Raheem on track for my fifth payout on Lucid for this 25K. Congrats, Raheem. Thank you for the $2. All right, Javi.
It was America 63, and I picked 2. I was like, I'm feeling generous.
Nice. So America, and
I am Lodane. Yep.
Congratulations. All right, let's do one more on Discord.
All right. Ooh, nice little number 44. 44.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm Koi. I'm Koi.
Yeah, I was typing in the numbers.
I'm Koi. Come on up to the stage. Or I am
Koi.
I am Koi. Can someone help me pick an indicator? I don't know. How did the new strat go today? Well, silent. Let's see. How did the new strat go today? There you go. Did all right.
Did okay, right?
Did all right. All right. Well, we're gonna call up somebody else because this guy doesn't want free shit.
All right. Next one, number 110. 110.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110. Sunnyside grows. You do not have the MOT. Let's do another one.
278. 278.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Juanito, a quantum and P2P trader, new to day trading, looking for like-minded degenerates with discipline. I feel like that's an oxymoron.
I've seen this guy. Like-minded degenerates with well, I am a degenerate with discipline, technically.
I don't think you are a degenerate because, I mean, well, we're talking about trading. You might be a degenerate in another. I'm talking about trading wise.
Okay.
Trading, right? Like technically, like I don't think you're an over trader, and I don't think you're a degenerate trader because by definition those are negative connotations, and you don't follow those, right? You trade because it makes sense, and your setups.
I am an over trader. I never stop. I can't stop.
But I think over trading by definition is somebody who is trading when they shouldn't be trading. You consistently have setups that present, right? You know what I mean?
That's true. That part's true. If I don't see the setup, I don't take the trade. Yeah. That's true. Very true.
Logan, for your strategy.
Juanito, where you at, bro?
Yes.
Nobody's coming up.
All right, let's do another person.
Tip the staff, buy the courses, and lease the indicators.
Check the numbers. Oh yeah, that number didn't exist. 174. 174.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 2, 3, 4. Katie. Yes, my strategy is on the course. Kenneth, tip the staff, buy the course, lease the indicators. Appreciate you, Kenneth, as always. $5 dono. Appreciate you, Kenneth. Katie, what's going on?
Katie,
what's up?
How's your trading going?
It's going better. Thank God.
Good. What's the change?
Well, I'm taking it slow. I'm trying to stack evals. I did, but then the last week of the month blew everything up. 3 evals that were funded. So I had 3 funded, which was the most I've ever had at one point. And just went till just blew everything. Really hurt, but it took a few days to just kind of clear my head, get my confidence back, and I know like it's possible to that point. Good. So it's like I'm getting a little further than
that. Good. Katie, you are cutting in and out just a bit. You're cutting in and out just a bit. From what I heard is that you obviously, you popped those accounts in the evals recently, went on tilt, but now you're just getting a little bit more and more. And it sounds like what you're doing right now is essentially you're taking, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So you're still making progress, right? You're starting to recognize what's causing the tilt, what's causing the issues. Like you said, you just had the most amount of funded accounts you've had. So you're making progress. It's just, you just need to keep recognizing where that tilt is coming from. So while, you had those red days, those popped accounts, I do see the progress. And I think that's great, right? Progress isn't calculable. I think that any sort of progress, you could consistently pop accounts. That doesn't mean you're not making progress because you're being aware of the failures or the mistakes that you've made, right? So I think that's solid, Katie. And you know how this works. You're going to get access to any indicator free for an entire week.
That's right.
Appreciate it.
Awesome. Yeah. Awesome, Katie. We believe in you. We know you're going to do good, and we're looking.
Thank you, guys.
You're so close. You're almost there. Don't give up.
No.
Absolutely.
Okay. Keep at it.
Okay.
All right. Now for an
Awesome.
FFF account. Let's give away an FFF account.
Let's do it. All right. Winning number will be 25. 25.
Jack, do not have the MOT tag. Next.
Oh, come on, Jack. 56.
5, 2, 5, 6. Stocks for her. Didn't she just win? Let's see if she comes up.
See, did they? Stocks.
Well, there's also a giant giveaway.
Hey.
Hello.
Oh, my camera. Yeah, I did. I won earlier.
Hey, look at you. Lucky day.
No.
What did I win this time?
You got the Wealth Charts hat.
You want an FFF account.
Oh, yeah.
You got an FFF
Thank you.
account,
I'll take it. But you know what? I need a little. What should I say? What should I say, Ray? I don't know. I'm sitting here and I didn't overtrade. I didn't pay attention to which account I bought, and I hit my consistency. I went over the consistency thinking it was a 1 day to pass, and it had a 50% consistency. So I'm sitting here and I've been trying to lose, and now it's even higher because I can't seem to fucking lose today.
How much?
And I'm just like, what do I do?
How much do you need to lose? How much do you need to lose?
I need to lose like 9K.
Holy shit. Okay. Best way to do it is going with 10 minis. Just keep hitting reverse. Multiple times, the fees will eat it up. Just switch.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll just put it on, go buy, sell.
Yeah, the problem with that though is sometimes you'll have to get buy, sell, and it'll go up. But if you hit reverse a bunch of times, the fees eat it up faster.
Yes, that does make sense. Makes sense. Yeah.
If you're in higher counter, but be careful. Keep an eye at the total you need to have. So as you get close, you size down, and then you do it a couple more times, and then size down to micros, and then hit what you need to hit. But that's the easiest way to do it. Easiest way to do it. I've had to do it a few times. I've tried to do the buy, sell, but sometimes when you hit it, it'll go green, and then you're like, crap. And then you hit sell, and it'll go green.
Every single thing every trade I was making is fucking winning.
Don't pop it. Yes, that's the thing. You lose 9K.
What prop is it?
It's Lucid.
I don't know when does Lucid. All right, you got 30 minutes. You got time. You got time. Run it.
Oh, she's got 30 minutes.
Got 30 minutes. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Also, stocks for her. Open up a sport ticket. You also get an FFF account. Congratulations. Don't go over the consistency rule on these. Javi just told you how to do it. All right, just don't pop it. Just bring it down as much as you can. Right?
Thank you.
Don't pop it. Yep. Keep an eye on what you got to make, and just hit that reverse a couple times. Get really close. Then you size down. That's the easiest way to do it.
Cool. I appreciate you guys. But now I know I got to do the opposite of my first thought every time I trade.
Stram, it's a eval, so the 10-second won't matter.
Alrighty.
It's just losing money.
Cool.
Congratulations. Open up a sport ticket. Yep.
Yeah.
Silent. I don't know what you're asking me. Is that new strat in your course, brother? I've been trying to find it. I have a guess. No, you don't. No, you don't. But whatever you say. Yeah, solid power hour today, Javi. Fun show. You guys know what to do. Do your guys' thing. Courses, indicators, coaching. Use code BDM on everything. Staff. Javi, what do you got?
Yeah, fun ass power hour. I love price action like today. Guys, make sure you guys follow our socials, TikTok, X, Instagram. Check out our YouTube channels. Logan's YouTube for PHP stuff. My channel for everything quantum. Other than that, y'all, not financial advice with JJ's. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Do we got
Traders and Haters podcast today? Yeah, 45 minutes. Traders and Haters podcast. Everybody tune in.
Yep, special guest tonight. Let's support, and guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
Later.
Peace out.
Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. From the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry.
Life gave me a burden. Burden in my trip. Turned into a gift. Starting all over. I was starting a trip. Took a little chip. Turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip. Turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip. Turned into a chip. We in and out quick. Let my head go. Eat my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. Let my head go. Eat my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Ain't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. On a ship, on into a ship, then I did it again. On in a ship, on into a ship. We in and out quick. Am I